They have often been referred to as the Philippines' modern-day heroes, mga bagong bayani who keep the country's economy afloat through their dollar remittances. As such, the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, or OWA, led by its administrator, Patricia Ibon Kaunan, has been giving them their due by providing them with various services, amenities, and privileges.
So ang ating mga OFW sa gustong mag-avail ng lounge natin ay kailangan lang pumila dito at ihanda yung kanilang passport, ticket, and overseas employment certificate. Pagka na-register na sila, they're good to go and could use the lounge.
Mga kababayan, sabi ko dapat ang mga OFWs, dapat naramdaman talaga nila yung VIP service. So we're going to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner service. At pag naman hindi breakfast, lunch, dinner, we have congee, we have bread, we have, of course, 24/7 coffee and drinks. Pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung charging station pag nasa airport, no? Siyempre, dati nahihirapan yung mga OFWs nung walang lounge kung saan sila makikicharge dito sa airport. Ito yung warning. Warning mga kababayan, please pakibantay din ng inyong mga cellphone, ha? But sinabihan ko na rin naman yung management, lagyan to ng CCTV.
Be mindful.
Be mindful.
Okay. Saan nila ilalagak yung kanilang mga luggage?
So we have OWA personnel manning itong aming parang drop-off or deposit ng mga luggage nila. Alam mo, isa pang highlight nitong OFW lounge is yung ating rest area.
Okay.
Where we have a capacity of like, I think 12 for the female, 14 for the male, na bunk beds, and I'm sure you saw the 4 massage chairs that are there. So, syempre, we have guidelines there, first come, first serve, kasi nga, 12 lang at 14. But ang importante, may ganong serbisyo para sa mga OFWs. And there's shower area.
Okay. Pagka medyo naaliw-aliw sila dito sa Libang, hindi naman siguro sila maiiwan ng flight nila. Delikadong maiwan.
Hindi sila maiwan ng flights nila dahil napakadaming monitor na in-install at real-time yan, showing you the updates and status of the flight. And also, somewhere there is our OWA e-card station. So it's a government ID. But ang maganda po mga kababayan para sa mga active members ng OWA, kung alam niyo po yung Pag-ibig Loyalty Plus cards, meron po yung diskwento or discounts sa mga partners here in the Philippines. Pero ang OWA e-card, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas ang diskwento, but all over the world sa iba't iba nating mga posts, no?
We have talked to a number of OFWs and asked them what delights and excites them.
Meron na OWA card. Thank you sa OWA.
So, matagal na po kayo nagbabiyahe, pero ilang beses na kayo nakapunta ngayon sa Lamsa?
Siguro mga 5 times na po.
5 times na rin.
Napaka-relaxing and very accommodating po yung mga tao rito. At saka ang laking tulong. Instead na bumili ka pa sa labas, dito, walang tusawa, nakakakain ka.
Dumating po kanina, 9. Yung ko po, flight ko pa Dubai is 3:30. Unlike before na wala kaming maistihan kung saan kami umuupo. Dito ngayon, very comfortable po. Hindi po, hassle. Sabi nung security, kumain ka kahit anong gusto mo dyan sa pagkain, libre po lahat. Happy po kami.
Cancel po yung flight namin nung kahapon sa Dubai. Then, inirebook ako ngayong araw na to ng 3:30. First time kong kumain dito sa OFW Lodge. Napakasarap po. Buong magdamag, nag-enjoy po ako. Hindi kami pinapabayaan dito.
So our lounge here in Terminal 3 has a capacity of around 220 OFWs. And then as you can see, puno siya all the time. It's open 24/7.
Gano'n ang katagal tong lounge sa Terminal 3?
So it's been a year already.
Okay.
Saka ulitin ko lang, libre.
Libre siya.
Libre siya
Oo.
para sa OFW.
Oo.
So
And every OFW is welcome. Basta lilipad sila, no?
sa lilipad sila.
Okay. You plan to replicate this in other airports, in other gateways in the Philippines, right?
Definitely, no? So we want to be in Cebu International Airport. We also want to be at Clark International Airport, the first country to have this kind of program for our OFWs. Isang mensahe lang sa mundo Sa amin, ang OFW, bayani ang touring namin, importante ang touring namin sa kanila. Sana yung mga bansa kung saan sila pupunta, bigyan sila ng respeto at dignidad dahil ganito namin alagaan yung mga OFW. Abangan, the new Terminal Lounge 1.
For the longest time, Filipinos have been tirelessly working abroad to provide for their families and to keep economy afloat. Well, it's long overdue, di ba, na magkaroon naman sila ng ganito. Pero eto na, nangyayari na. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa ang mga ganitong programa para sa kanila. This has been Alex Vergara for People Asian News.